Welcome to Hindu Infopedia. In this episode, we continue our journey through the Patanjali Yoga Sutra Explained series, part 24. Today, we explore a profound milestone in yogic evolution, Asamprajnata Samadhi, described in Sutra 118. This state is so deep that even thought itself dissolves. Previously in Sutra 117, Patanjali introduced Samprajnata Samadhi, a meditative absorption that still involves cognition. It unfolds through 4 stages: Vitarka, meditation on gross objects; Vichara, on subtle objects; Ananda, the state of bliss; and Asmita, the awareness of I am. Even at its height, Vivekakyati, discriminative wisdom, the mind remains active, perceiving the difference between Purusha, pure consciousness, and Chitta, the mind substance. But now, Patanjali reveals something entirely different. The sutra reads, Viram pratyayabhyas purva sanskar sheshonya 1-18. Virama pratyayabhyasa purva samskara shesonya. The other samadhi, preceded by repeated practice of cessation, is that in which only impressions of cessation remain. This is Asamprajnata Samadhi, the seedless absorption. Patanjali gives us a threefold key. First, Virama pratyaya, the means, supreme detachment, para vairagya, that stills all mental waves. Second, samskara shesa, the characteristic, when only the faint impressions of cessation remain, not new thoughts. Third, anya, the other, a completely different category of samadhi, not higher but beyond cognition itself. In this state, chitta no longer produces vrittis. Awareness no longer turns outward or even inward. It rests as pure being. Think of Samprajnata as seeing your reflection in a flawless mirror. You know you are not the image, yet a reflection remains. In Asamprajnata, even the mirror disappears. There is no observer, no observed. Only pure consciousness abiding in its own nature, Swarupa Avasthiti. This is not unconsciousness. It is the cessation of all processes that veil the Purusha. Patanjali describes how impressions refine and cancel each other in a cascade. Ordinary Vyuthana samskaras are overpowered by Samadhi Prarambha samskaras. These give way to Ekagrata samskaras of one-pointed concentration. And finally, Nirodha samskaras. The impressions of cessation silence all others, even themselves. Just as fire purifies gold and then extinguishes its own fuel, these final impressions dissolve, revealing freedom, Kaivalya. Yet early Asamprajnata Samadhi is fragile. When attention slips, ordinary impressions resurface. Only sustained abhyasa and unwavering vairagya make this silence stable. Practice, patience, and purity are the keys to this ultimate stillness. Asamprajnata Samadhi is not merely higher meditation. It is the complete transcendence of mind. To explore its practice and the path of para vairagya, continue with part 2 on Hindu Infopedia.